Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is VanAmsen, and today we got a fascinating problem to dig into. Group the people given the group size they belong to. So, long title from a LeetCode daily challenge. Sound complex? Well, stick around and I promise you will find it as simple as a pie by the end of this video. So let's jump right in. So what's the task is all about? You have an array, and let's call it a group size, and where each element indicate the size of the group that person belongs to. So your job is to return a list of group such that each person is in a group of their specific size. So sounds interesting. So let's take a look at example. So group size is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3. So, and here the first person belongs to the group of size 3, and the second person also belongs to a group of size 3, and so on. And the sixth person belongs to a group of size 1, so just 1. And the output could be something like 5, and then 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 6. So don't worry if this doesn't make sense just yet. It will soon. But we are placing those person into a group according to the rules. So we are going to use a Python dictionary to solve this problem. Why? Because dictionary provide constant time lookups, and they are great for grouping things. If you are coding in other languages, you can use a hash map or associative arrays, which I will include in the video description below. So other implementation. And firstly, let's initialize our result list that will store the final group. And we will also create a dictionary called current group to keep track of the current group formed. So result will be list and current group. Group will be hash and for I size in enumerate group size. Okay, so now main loop or one loop. So the group size array for the group, and the code here is will be as follows. So inside the loop, we will check if size is already a key in our current group. So if not, we will create an empty list for it. So let's implement it. So if size not in current group will be size, and now next we will append the current index I to the current group size list. And here comes the interesting part. If the length of the group reaches the specific size, we append it to the result and rest the group in current group. So current group size append I, and if len current group size equal size, so will it result will be append current group size, and current group size will be new, and finally return result. So as you can see, we appended to the result and rested the group in current group, and finally we are returning our result, and voila, ready implementation. So let's run it to verify it's working for this mentioned test case. So 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6, all working perfectly. So we can also submit it for unseen test cases to verify. So yes, our implementation, yeah, beat 66% with respect to runtime, but I see that here every run produce different results. So I think like the best one I achieved was beating 98% or something. So yeah, runtime 67 milliseconds. So all good, and that's how you solve it. Group the people given the group size they belong to. So using Python dictionary, so quite straightforward implementation, but efficient. And yeah, if you want to see a solution in other languages like Java, Rust, Go, C++, and much more, check the link in the video description, and I promise you, you will understand the logic behind the task, and it will make you a better programmer than you were yesterday. So it's always good to yeah, challenge yourself. And time complexity here is O n, so it's yeah, linear because we are traversing our array just once. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new here, consider subscribing for more coding content, tutorials, tech news, and machine learning, and much more. And as usually, see you next time, keep practicing, stay motivated, and happy coding!